Today, let's explore one of India's most majestic and iconic birds, the Sarus crane. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of this graceful giant and discover its importance in India's rich biodiversity. Scientifically known as Grus antigone, is the tallest flying bird in the world. Standing at an astonishing height of up to 6 feet, these elegant birds are a sight to behold. They are found throughout India and are considered a symbol of longevity and good fortune. The Sarus crane is easily recognizable with its long legs, a striking crimson head, and a predominantly grey plumage. These birds are known for their courtship dances, which are not only beautiful to witness, but also play a vital role in their social bonding and mating rituals. During the breeding season, these cranes engage in elaborate courtship displays, which involve synchronized dancing, vocalizations, and even the exchange of food offerings. This strengthens their pair bonds and ensures successful breedings. Sarus cranes are widely distributed across India. They prefer wetlands, marshes, and cultivated fields, where they can find their favorite food: plants, insects, and small vertebrates. Unfortunately, their habitat is under threat due to urbanization, agricultural expansion, and water scarcity. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival in the wild. Beyond their ecological importance, Sarus cranes hold a significant place in Indian culture and mythology. They are often depicted in ancient artwork and are associated with love, longevity, and prosperity. The Sarus crane is a living testament to India's rich natural heritage and cultural heritage, and it's our responsibility to ensure their continued existence. Keep watching Bird's View of Incredible India.